Hello, let's go over the fake reflect material function. This is a basic example mesh, and I'm only using the normal map at the moment to really show what's going on. As you can see, the normal is there, it's nice and active. And with the fake reflect, all you do is plug in the texture sample, the normal, plug that into any noise map that you have. There you go. And multiply that with your albedo, your base, any way you want. That's all up to you. So you can just use the red channel for that. There. And now you have a fake kind of reflection going on. Obviously you can play around with the values. In some cases you might want to, I have no idea, do a bit more like this. This is just me goofing off. And there you have it. And you can play with this value, of course. That's a bit more visible. And a bit less. And that gives you some nice results for fake reflections. There are some other things you can do with it. The flatness, well, basically it's a flat and normal, so if I put it to 0, that effect that you see here should be quite the same. Now it's stronger, and at 10 it's getting a bit more warped, so maybe a value of 2, maybe 3 works still for a very weak reflection. You can also go into the negatives. It's just to play around with, just to have some bit more control over the way your reflection works. So if I go back to 4 or whatever, then you'll get something that's a bit more like this. Okay, then there's the density. Remove that one to give an accurate result for the reflection. As it says, the higher the value, the smaller and more tiling the effect gets. So let's do a density of 4. As you can see now, the texture is tiling 4 times, and it doesn't look that good, but sometimes a density of 2 does give you a good result. You can also go the other way around, of course, and do out of 5, and then you'll get something a bit more like this, which gives it a much more smoother reflective result. And even without an albedo, this looks quite nice. Let me go back to the example, and this is basically the result you get from the fake reflect. Okay, that should be it for this material function. Take care.